Hey guys, Dr. Solomon here. We're correcting a saddle nose deformity on this young lady. She's got a significant saddle here. She also has nasal tip deformity. We've rebuilt her nasal tip with a relatively large septal extension graft and tip onlay graft to give her some more tip definition. Now we're going to be adding dorsal augmentation with a diced cartilage graft. Using a blade to chop up the diced cartilage. To make sure it's nice and fine so we can use it for augmentation without it looking lumpy or bumpy. Now transferring the diced cartilage into a syringe here. We're going to be using this entire syringe of diced cartilage to augment the entire bridge. This woman's bridge has collapsed completely, has little septal remnant to work with, so we're going to be augmenting with addition on top of her nasal bone and mid-third remnant. Okay, we've just completed the reconstruction of the nasal bridge. The entire dorsum has been augmented with diced cartilage graft. Lower third of the nose has been reconstructed with a tip extension graft and tip cap graft. And I think she'll be very happy with this outcome.